We could see from the beginning that good planning was going to be the key to a meaningful project that met our time frame. We spent quite a few hours just sitting and planning, just brainstorming ideas. Once we were satisfied with our plans and organized our audio and video storyboard, then we started filming. We were lucky to get several students from Waianae High School to come in on a minute's notice to act in our video. Filming with the students was a lot of fun. We learned a lot about script writing, setting, sound, lighting. We had the most fun editing. Using equipment we were not familiar with was scary for a couple of us, but once we got the hang of it, we played around with our creative talents. Another important aspect was finding just the right music to go with each of our shots. In the end, we have to say that we have a product we are very proud of and will definitely use in our classrooms.
Students not graduating on time or not graduating at all.
How many of you?
Added to accordion who learn how to sexually, sexfully.
We are with you.
Oh, no,
Period.
I'm tired.
Lagi bawang pen. Sayang. Papa!
Wait! Papa! I need you one more time, sorry! Oh, wait. Cut. 5, 4, 3.
I think having good friends help me out to sound good.